Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine. I'm Sonali ma'am, and yesterday we did an English topic of opposites. So today we are going to do a revision of opposite words. Then we are going to write opposite words in our notebook, and then we are going to do revision of blends in our class workbook. So let's begin. So children, let's read the opposite words again. This is a pumpkin and this is a tomato. Pumpkin is B-I-G, big. And this is S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. This is a giraffe, which is tall. And this is a goat, which is short. T-A-L-L, tall. S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall, short. Cold drink and a hot cup of tea. So C-O-L-D, cold. H-O-T, hot. Cold, hot. Rabbit runs fast and a tortoise walks slow. So F-A-S-T, fast. S-L-O-W, slow. Fast, slow. Sun, day, D-A-Y, day. And in the night, we see a moon. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. Up, U-P, up. Down, D-O-W-N, down. Up, down. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Sad, S-A-D, sad. Happy, sad. So children, let's start writing our opposite words. First, we begin with today's date. Today is 3.12.20. Outside the margin line, leaving 2-finger space, we will write capital O. The rest of the alphabets will be small. P, P, O, S, I, T, E, S. Opposites. First word is happy. H, A, P, P, Y. Happy. Then you leave 1-finger space and then we make a cross. And then leave again 1-finger space and we write sad. S, A, D. Sad. Happy, sad. When we write opposites, we make a cross because the pair of words have got different meanings. Okay. Our second word is tall. T, A, L, L. Tall. Again leave 1-finger space. Make a cross. 1-finger space again you will leave and we will write short. S, H, O, R, T. Tall, short. Next is up. U, P, up. Leave 1-finger space. Make a cross. Again leave 1-finger space. And we will write opposite of up is down. D, O, W, N. Down. Up, down. Next is big. B, I, G. Big. Make a cross. And opposite of big is small. S M A L L. Big, small. Next is fast. F A S T. Fast. Make a cross. And opposite of fast is S L O W. Slow. Fast, slow. Then is hot. H O T. Hot. Make a cross. Opposite of hot, cold. Very good. COLD. Cold. And next word is night. 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 Make a cross. DAY. Day. Night. Day. Let's read it once more, children. HAPPY. Happy. SAD. Sad. TALL. Tall. SHORT. Short. UP. Up. DOWN. Down. BIG. Big. SMALL. Small. FAST. Fast. SLOW. Slow. HOT. Hot. COLD. Cold. NIGHT. Night. DAY. Day. You have to write in the same format in your classwork notebook. Okay?
Okay, children, let's do some practice work of blends. Please open your class workbook to page number 87. Who am I? Here we have to see the picture and write the correct blend. So let's begin with the first picture. The first picture is of a hill. So we will write in the box that is given below the picture, we will write the word hill. HILL, hill. Very good. In the next picture, we have a cook. COOK, cook. Next picture, can anyone tell me what it is? Yes, it's grapes. Very good. So we will write GRAPES, grapes. Next picture is a bee. BEE, Then we have cherry. Very good. CHERRY, cherry. And the last picture is, yes, it's a flag. FLAG, flag. So children, you will write the word and the blends in your book the same way that I have written. Now we will see the solution of the practice work I gave yesterday. So children, open page number 105 and we will start with opposites. As the first one is done, we will start with the second one. First one is new, old. Then we have hot, cold. Thin, fat. Next column, big, small. Up, down. Day, night. I hope you all have done it correctly in your books as well. Now open page number 74 and let's see the solution of this page. Here we have to match the picture to the correct word. The first picture is of glue. GLUE, glue. So we will match it to the correct word. Next is grapes. GRAPES, grapes. Next, bread. BREAD, bread. Next is swing. 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 Next, smell. 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 Then we have cloud. 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 Then we have broom. 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 Next we have glove. 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 And last is frame. 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 Now let's see the solution for page number 75. Match the picture to the correct word. The first picture is brush. 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 Next is flag. 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 Then we have lock. 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 Then we have star. 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 Then we have plate. 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 Next is a clock. 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 Then is sleep. 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 And the last picture is shoe. SHOE. Shoe.
So children, please do revise your opposite words, learn the spellings and write it neatly in your notebook, and please continue doing the revision of your blends. Till we meet again next time, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.